Those who never got to see the Workmeisters on the car, here they are. They fit perfectly, especially with those fenders. Back when I did these wheels, this was about 4 years ago, I never updated my channel. Back then I was running R888R 295/30. Now through the winters I've stepped up to a 285/35 so I can have an all season. Still have great fitment with those. The ride is not that bad. The car is equipped with Olin coilovers, so it rides pretty smooth. And the tires definitely do huck on corners, even with the all seasons. The R888Rs that I used to have, those were a lot of fun, but they were pretty sketchy in the rain and winter.